When you fall asleep, your body does not simply switch off. It transitions through structured biological stages. And among them, one stands out as the most physically restorative: deep sleep. Also known as slow-wave sleep or N3 sleep, deep sleep is defined by the dominance of delta brain waves. These are the slowest electrical rhythms your brain produces, typically between 0.5 and 4 Hz. On an EEG, they appear as large, slow oscillations. This is not passive shutdown. It is coordinated biological recalibration. Let's begin with the brain itself.
Welcome to SciCuriousID, where curiosity meets science.
During deep sleep, cortical neurons shift into highly synchronized firing patterns. Large populations of neurons alternate between active and silent states. This synchronization reduces metabolic demand and allows neural circuits to recover from sustained daytime activity. At the same time, something remarkable happens in the brain's cleaning system. Research published in Science by Xie and colleagues demonstrated that during slow-wave sleep, the space between brain cells expands. Cerebrospinal fluid flows more efficiently through brain tissue, flushing out metabolic waste products. This system is known as the glymphatic system. One of the waste products cleared more effectively during deep sleep is beta-amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease when it accumulates abnormally. While sleep alone does not prevent neurodegeneration, consistent deep sleep appears to support long-term brain maintenance. Now let's move beyond the brain. Deep sleep is the primary window for growth hormone release. Studies by Van Korter and colleagues show that the largest pulse of human growth hormone occurs shortly after sleep onset, specifically during slow-wave sleep. Growth hormone is not only for children. In adults, it supports tissue repair, muscle recovery, bone remodeling, and metabolic regulation. This is why athletes prioritize sleep. It is not motivational advice. It is endocrinology. Your cardiovascular system also shifts into recovery mode. During deep sleep, heart rate decreases, blood pressure drops, and breathing becomes slower and more regular. The sympathetic nervous system, responsible for fight-or-flight responses, is suppressed. The parasympathetic system dominates. This nightly reduction in cardiovascular load functions as a physiological reset. Next, the immune system. Sleep is not merely rest. It is immune modulation. During deep sleep, the body increases production of certain cytokines, signaling molecules that regulate immune responses. Now let's discuss memory. While REM sleep is associated with emotional processing, deep sleep plays a different role. According to Diekelmann and Born, slow-wave sleep supports memory consolidation, particularly declarative memory. There is also evidence supporting the synaptic homeostasis hypothesis. During deep sleep, the brain may help downscale less important connections, maintaining neural efficiency and preventing saturation. Your body temperature also drops during deep sleep. This cooling supports metabolic efficiency and aligns with circadian rhythms. A slightly cooler environment often improves the ability to enter deep sleep. Deep sleep is biological maintenance at its most fundamental level. How many hours do you sleep each night, and do you wake up feeling physically restored?
Thanks for watching SciCuriousID. Until next time.